Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Kaneki Aviation, and this is Operation Goodwood, Japan 7.4. For my purchase, I have 38 IPP. I'll be buying 1 cavalry in Rihi, 2 transports, an artillery and an infantry in Kaishu, 1 artillery in Tokyo, and then I'll be completing the heavy cruiser, which will get placed in P33, or P15, sorry, and I'll be moving the fleet carrier down 1, closer to production. For tech, I'll be going for large ship construction and jet fighters. Ships are blue, jet fighters are red. And 8 for both of those. And we got both. Lucky us. Finally, some tech is paying off. There we go. And now, the only combat I have is 1 infantry from Shanghai. They'll come and take Tibet. And then, everyone in Shanghai will fall back to, say Shenxi. So that's 5 infantry, 1 motorized, and a mountain infantry to join the artillery there. And then the infantry in Western Manchuria moves to North Manchuria. The cavalry in Rihi will go down to Shenxi. The infantry and cavalry from Kwekao will move to Kwangtung to join everyone there. And the air transport and airborne infantry will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and land in Siam to join the infantry there. The 4 infantry in Tokyo and the 2 transports in P16 will strategic naval move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down to I-12 to join my little navy and the British ships there. One big happy family. Then the transport in P14 take the 2 infantry from Shangtung and go 1, 2, 3 down to P50 and drop the 2 infantry in Siam. So there's 3 infantry there now, plus the airborne and air transport. And the 3 transports in P32 will take the 6 infantry from Hunan, go 1, 2, 3 to I-12. So that's 5 transports there now. And then 4 destroyers from P41 will pick up 4 Marines from Kwangtung and move 2 to I-12. And then the rest of the Navy in P41 will also move down to I-12. But the carriers will both go to I-11. But everything else is going to I-12. Don't worry, UK, we're not going to do anything. Okay. Oh, and I still have 1 more transport. So this last transport from P41 will take a Marine and an infantry and move down to I-12 as well. So this whole navy here is all in I-12 now. So that's where all my ships are, other than the 2 carriers and the 1 transport in P50. And then last move will be 1 tack and 2 fighters from Kwang Tung. We'll go 1, 2, 3 and land in Siam. And actually, I'm going to do one more move. Everybody in Kwang Tung is going to move 1 into Hunan. So that is now empty. Let me pick up this. One sec. There we go. Okay, I believe that's everything. So I'll just place and then say where everything is. So in Kaishu we have 4 infantry, 1 artillery, and then in P15 we have 2 transports and the new heavy cruiser. Tokyo has 1 artillery. Shensi's got 5 infantry, 1 mountain infantry, 1 artillery, 1 cavalry, and 1 motorized infantry. Hunan has 7 infantry, 1 cavalry, a fighter, and a seaplane. Siam has 3 infantry, an airborne, an air transport, 2 fighters, 1 tactical bomber. P50 has 1 transport. I-11 has a light carrier and a fleet carrier with 1 fighter and 2 tactical bombers. I-12 has 6 transports with 5 marines. Just let me count these infantry. The 11 infantry and 2 coastal subs, 3 torpedo boat destroyers, 3 normal subs, and then everything here, which is 4 destroyers, 2 light cruisers, 4 heavy battleships, or cruisers, heavy cruisers, sorry, 1 battle cruiser, and 2 battleships. And I'm just gonna change one move, and that is I'm gonna move 1 torpedo boat destroyer from I-12 into I-4. There we go. So Japan ends with 32 plus 6, so that's 38. Now onto the British Commonwealth and what's left of France.